Okay, so you're curious about Podio and whether or not it's free to use. Well, let's dive into that. The short answer: Podio offers a free plan that you can use indefinitely. However, there are limitations to what you can do with the free plan, and you may eventually need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock additional features and capabilities. The long answer: Podio is a powerful work management platform that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, task tracking, and customer relationship management. It offers a variety of features, including workspaces. Workspaces are like virtual offices where you can organize your work. You can create different workspaces for different projects or teams. Apps. Apps are building blocks that you can use to customize your workspaces. There are hundreds of apps available in the Podio app market, including apps for project management, task tracking, customer relationship management, and more. Items. Items are the basic units of data in Podio. You can create items in your workspaces to track tasks, projects, customers, and other information. Fields. Fields are used to organize information within items. You can add different types of fields to your items, such as text fields, number fields, date fields, and drop-down fields. Views. Views are used to filter and display items in your workspaces. You can create different views to see different subsets of your data. Workflow. Workflow allows you to automate tasks and processes in your workspaces. You can create workflows to trigger actions when certain events occur, such as when a new item is created or when an item is updated. Free versus paid plans. Podio offers 4 different pricing plans: free, basic, plus, and premium. The free plan is the most basic plan. It allows you to create up to 100 items in your organization across all of your workspaces and apps. You can also add up to 5 users to your organization. The basic plan costs $9 per user per month, or $7.20 per user per month if you pay annually. It allows you to create an unlimited number of items in your organization. You can also add up to 10 users to your organization. The Plus plan costs $14 per user per month, or $11.20 per user per month if you pay annually. It allows you to create an unlimited number of items in your organization. You can also add an unlimited number of users to your organization. The Premium plan costs $24 per user per month, or $19.20 per user per month if you pay annually. It allows you to create an unlimited number of items in your organization. You can also add an unlimited number of users to your organization. In addition to the features listed above, the paid plans also include a number of other features, such as advanced reporting and analytics, custom workflows, integration with other applications, dedicated support. So, which plan is right for you? If you're just starting out with Podio, the free plan is a good option. However, if you need more features or users, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan. Here are some factors to consider when choosing a plan: the number of users in your organization, the number of items you need to create, the features you need, your budget. Overall, Podio is a powerful and flexible work management platform that can be used by teams of all sizes. Whether you're using the free plan or a paid plan, Podio can help you to get more organized and productive. In addition to the information above, here are a few other things to keep in mind about Podio. Podio is a cloud-based platform, so you can access it from anywhere in the world. Podio is available in a variety of languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and Japanese. Podio offers a 14-day free trial of all of its paid plans. So, is Podio free to use? Yes and no. Podio offers a free plan that you can use indefinitely. However, there are limitations to what you can do with the free plan, and you may eventually need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock additional features and capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.